In this video, I'll show you the fuse box locations on a Honda Accord 2008 to 2012. So they're both located at the same place. First thing, go in the passenger side here in the footwell, and the first fuse box will be located on the right side here. You see there's a panel, just stick your finger inside and pull. This way you'll be able to slide it out, and on the back of this panel you'll have the diagram showing you which fuse is which, and here are all the fuses of this fuse box. Now there's another fuse box in this car, this is not the only one. So for the second one you'll need to open the hood of the car by pulling obviously this hood release here and the footwell of the driver's side, then go in the front of the vehicle, open the hood, and the second fuse box will be on your right side, right in the back here. Usually you have the battery, now it has been removed, but it's right above it. You'll have a cap, a lid you have to remove, and all your fuses will be there. Check on the lid, you'll have the diagram as well.